Hello, testing out the new setup. This is a new microphone. Let me know what you think. I think the sound will be better, but of course, who knows? Next, I may explore the world of sound baffles. But in any case, I wanted to tell you what's coming up in the next couple of weekends for the Rambo Academy for Wayward Writers. On Saturday, James Sutter is starting a 2-session class, one each Saturday morning. It's the Freelancers Toolkit. James is a freelancer himself. The last time he taught this class, it was a single session, and we've made it 2 sessions because it was just too much to pack into a single session. So that's going to be super useful. In that afternoon on Saturday, Evan J. Peterson is teaching flash fiction. If you're not familiar with flash fiction, it is very, very short fiction. It is a ton of fun to write. The class is a blast. Come for a jolt of creativity if you like and find out about a very popular and very sellable fiction form. On Sunday this weekend, in the morning, Jen Brozek is teaching project management for writers. I actually pitched this class to Jen rather than vice versa because she's always so on top of things that I wanted a chance to pick her brain for her secrets. So we'll all be doing that. Please join me to pick Brozek's brain. And then in the afternoon, Catherine Lundoff is teaching book promotion on a budget. That's a pandemic version. So she has accommodated the fact that times are a bit different now. The following weekend, on Saturday, again, James Sutter teaching the Freelancers Toolkit session 2. And then in the afternoon, Monica Valentinelli is teaching tarot for writers. That should be a really fun class. I'm looking forward to that. It's a first-time class for us. And then on Sunday in the morning, Sarah Pinsker is teaching applying songwriting techniques to your fiction. That's a really cool class. If you're familiar with my class, Red Boot Blues, that actually came out of the last time Sarah taught the class. And then in the afternoon, Michael Underwood is teaching politics and world building. How do you create politics that really make for a cool and interesting world full of conflict and competition and sometimes advantages, disadvantages, alliances, and rivals? Michael will cover all of that. That's another really good class if you are interested in world building beyond just sort of creating objects, world building in terms of society and customs and stuff like that. So that's 2 of the things, or 2 of the weekends that are coming up. And I'm going to stop at that because it's such a plethora of wonders that I've laid before you that I should stop. But if you're interested in registering and you're saying, gosh, I don't have the money for it, please remember there are 3 scholarships in each class. The only thing that you have to do to qualify for a Plunkett scholarship is not be able to afford the class at this time. It's all swell, and it makes me super happy when people use those scholarships. Otherwise, the cost is $79 if you are a former student or support me on Patreon, or otherwise $99. And you can check the links that I have provided in this video's description in order to find out more. So thank you. And if you want to keep up with what's going on, one way to do it is to subscribe to this very same YouTube channel where this video appears. So as always, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see. Take care.